Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be doing fruit jam, fruit jelly filled croissants. So what you're going to need with this is your roll of croissant rolls, and then your favorite jam or jelly. And in this one I'm going to be doing the boysenberry seedless jam from Smucker's. So we're gonna get this going here. I got the oven preheating to 375, so let's get this going. It's real easy, and we'll enjoy. So I'll see you here in a minute. Okay guys, first thing we're going to need to do is open up our can here. You just take a little thing and just start peeling off the side. And just take that, and it's just press with a spoon on the seam until it pops, which you just take that lightly and that, turn it. So pretty easy. Okay, so what we'll do is just roll these. And it's pretty easy. Open it up. And I wouldn't quite. Alright. So, next thing we'll do is open up our jam. Just take a little spoon here. Just a little bit. And you just want to take it and lightly spread the jam on the dough. So that might be a little bit too much on that one. It'll be easy to solve just by up like that. Okay guys, you see we just spread that on there. Alright, now what you do is you start with your wide end and just roll it on up, put it on there. So there we go, and get it all rolled up in there. Okay. Be a little bit of a mess here, which we'll just take and clean off here. Wipe that up. Okay guys, well, I'm gonna finish this up here and I'll see you in a minute here. So as you see right now, as we do that, then we'll put them in the oven at 375 for 9 to 12 minutes, and then we'll give it a try. So I'll see you when I get these finished. I'm just gonna finish this up and put them in the oven. Finished croissant rolls before we put them in the oven. Now at 375 for 9 to 12 minutes. Okay guys, so yeah, I've got it out, got them all done. Let it cool for a little bit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just take it and put it on the plate here. Let's see if I can get it to. There we go. We're just gonna set everything out here. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit sticky, which I figured that would be. Yeah, so. Alright. Okay. The last one here. Alright. So there we go. A little bit of wash that out here. Alright, so as you can see, there we go. They look great, don't they? They smell good too. But I mean, you can use these for your holiday meal, dessert, snack. So very versatile. So let's go ahead and give these a try. I'll go ahead and I'll give this one here a try. So here we go. Isn't it good? Tastes great. A little on the sticky side with the jam. I probably put a little bit too much on some of it, but but even with it being sticky, it still tastes good, and that's the important part. So as you can see, this is a really easy recipe. Tastes good. You can use it for your Thanksgiving meal, or any holiday meal, or just dessert, or any party food, so, or snack. So okay guys, this is the fruit jam, fruit jelly filled croissant rolls. So they're really good. Hope you guys enjoy them, try them and enjoy them. Well guys, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, tell me what you think about it. And also, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I try to get a cooking video out on Saturday. I also do some taste test and sightseeing and adventure videos, which don't have a scheduled time. Well guys, I want you to enjoy the day that the Lord has given you, and I'll see you on the next video. I'm gonna finish eating this up here. Good.